Today's topic for discussion is Aspergillus rot of Sapota. Sapota, it is a very common fruit in India, and Aspergillus, it is a fungus which causes post-harvest disease of Sapota. Let us see the details of disease. Aspergillus rot disease, it is a very common disease, and that generally get infected to the injured Sapota fruits. Injured fruits are more susceptible for the infection. Initially, after infection, the Aspergillus produces small circular water-soaked spots on the fruit surface, and these spots gradually increase in size and that turn brown in color. The rot infection reach deep into the pulp, and the pulp of the fruit that turn semi-solid, that get macerated. It is one of the serious disease of Sapota which destroy the entire fruit within 5 to 6 days. The affected fruit that emit foul fermented odor, such fruits are toxic for consumption. The affected fruits get covered by mycelial mat of the fungus, and there are numerous conidial heads of black color develop on the affected region of the fruit. In certain fruits, the infection starts at the mother end region of the fruit, and the mature and injured fruits are slightly susceptible for infection. It is an important disease of Sapota fruit which is caused by Aspergillus niger. Aspergillus niger, it is the name of pathogen. During transportation or harvest period, fruits get injured. The roads of India are not smooth, hence there are more possibilities of injury to the fruits during transportation. The causal organism of the post-harvest rot disease of Sapota is Aspergillus niger. It has been reported by several authors. The Sumia Fatima in 2006 reported optimum temperature for extensive development of Aspergillus niger in tropical regions of the world is 30 degrees Celsius. Let us see the control measures of Aspergillus rot of Sapota. For management of the disease or control measures, we have to handle the fruits very carefully. During harvest period, we can reduce the occurrence of the disease by handling carefully. Handle the fruits carefully during harvest, during storage and packing, etc. Removal of injured and infected fruits during packing and storage period, that also helps to reduce the disease intensity. Next, and well aerated and clean go downs of fruits that do not favor the development of the disease. Well aerated go downs are good for the storage of the fruits. And store the fruits at 10 degrees Celsius temperature to restrict the growth of the fungus. The growth of the Aspergillus niger that has been restricted at 10 degrees Celsius or below that. And before storage, you have to rinse the fruits with hot water, and the containers in which the fruit will be stored, they should be disinfected before fruit packing. And copper sulfate treatment was found effective, reported by some authors. This is about Aspergillus rot disease of Sapota.